In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an anchor link to a section on another page in Webflow. Let's get started. Open the page that contains the section you want to link to. Select the section, then open the Element Settings panel and give it a unique ID, such as Team or Contact. Next, open the page with the button or text link you want to use. Select the element and open its link settings. In the URL field, enter the destination page followed by a hashtag and the section ID. For example, About Number Team will take visitors directly to the team section on the About page. Preview your website and click the link to make sure it opens the correct page and scrolls to the right section. Then publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to create an anchor link to a section on another page in Webflow. Thanks for watching.